Hello, my name is Mitch Kamm and I'm a current junior in the Marquette Applied Investment Management program. Today I'm pitching Computer Programs and Systems Inc., ticker CPSI. I'm pitching CPSI at a price target of $38.69, which would represent a potential upside of 23.24%. Computer Programs and Systems Inc. is a healthcare information technology company providing electronic health record EHR solutions and business management services. EHR solutions are the backbone for healthcare information technology and the largest financial outlay for health providers. The business management solutions provided through their TrueBridge segment include consulting and managed IT services, along with the complete revenue cycle management solution that increases collections, minimizes billing errors, and produces cost savings for clients, many of whom are too small to have their own internal billing departments, so they outsource business to CPSI. Headquarters are in Irving, Texas. Their segments are the acute care electronic health records, which were 52.5% of fiscal 19 revenues, the TrueBridge system, which is 39.8% of revenues, and the post-acute care EHRs, which are 7.7%. Their primary customer base is the 1 to 200 bed hospital market. The share price is $38.81, and they have a $450 million market cap. Their price to book in the last 12 months is 2.06, and their EV to EBITDA metric is 14.37. 2019 revenue was $274 million. It is recommended that the AIM Equity Fund purchase shares of Computer Programs and Systems Inc. at $30.81 with a price target of $38.69, representing the potential 23.34% upside. CPSI is a scalable business model, and further development onto the cloud will lead to margin expansion down the line, as new customers can be brought on easily without additional cost of sales. Strong customer loyalty and market share. 33% of the market share of 1 to 200 bed standalone hospitals, and customer loyalty due to many small hospitals being isolated in rural areas drives value of CPSI. And the new Entrust bundle, packaging both the EHR and TrueBridge software, allows for cross-selling of products, and the continued push of the TrueBridge system into the 220 to 600 bed hospital market will lead not only to expanded revenues for TrueBridge, but the EHR segment through cross-selling of these platforms. The investment drivers behind CPSI. COVID-19 tailwinds are driving TrueBridge value. Hospitals looking for cost containment solutions now more than ever to cover financial shortfalls from the pandemic, and CPSI remains committed to ensuring hospitals make as much revenue as possible in a quickly and efficient time manner. Revenue cycle management is expected to grow at a 12% compound annual growth rate through 2027. The shift to software as a sales will continue to drive up recurring revenues, which made up 81% of revenues in fiscal year 19. This demand-driven change will see expanding revenues, while sales costs will be rather stable, which will lead to margin expansion down the line. An average gross margin expansion of 0.5% year over year through 2024. Revamped capital allocation. Management recently got rid of the firm's long-standing dividend, and now they have confidence in their continued growth strategy in the TrueBridge expansion, and they're showing this confidence by repurchasing up to 8% of the shares that will expand EPS to $1.94 in fiscal year 20 and $2.17 in fiscal year 21. To value CPSI, a DCF model at a 70% weight generated a price target of $35.77 at a weighted average cost of capital of 5.21% and a terminal growth rate of 2.0%. The EV to EBITDA valuation returned a price target of $49.85 with a 2019 peer multiple of 22.83. CPSI's 2019 EV to EBITDA was 14.37, and that was at a 15% weight, as well as the price to book at a price target of $38.69. The 2019 peer multiple was 2.7 times, and their CPSI's 2019 price to book was 2.06. The investment risks for CPSI. First, COVID-19. Continuing surging of cases and hospitalizations may lead to falling revenue as hospitals delay elective surgeries. CPSI's business model is relying on hospitals having patients and performing surgeries, as the more patients and more health care administered, the more money and billable collections CPSI has for their clients. Hospital attrition. Financially distressed small hospitals are a prime acquisition target for large hospital systems. These acquisitions would hurt CPSI, as large hospital systems have streamlined EHR and RCM systems, which would lead these small hospitals to be integrated into those and leave CPSI as a customer. There are, of course, cybersecurity concerns. CPSI is the guardian of highly sensitive data, which is a lucrative target for cyber criminals, and network failures or outages would be detrimental to cloud-based patient records that need to be available on command. CPSI has a very strong management team led by Boyd Douglas, the President and Chief Executive Officer, who has been with CPSI for 33 years. David Dye, Chief Growth Officer, has been working with Mr. Douglas for the last 31 years. Chris Fowler is the Chief Operating Officer and President of TrueBridge. He's been with CPSI for 21 years and in charge of TrueBridge for the last 5. Matt Chambliss is the Chief Financial Officer, who came to CPSI 9 years ago after running an 800-bed hospital system in Atlanta, and his integration into the firm has been extremely successful in helping TrueBridge expand into the 220 to 600 bed hospital market, which will also lead to the positives for the EHR. Computer Programs and Systems Inc. Board of Directors is made up of 6 males, 2 women, and 1 minority member. CPSI has been building healthier communities since 1979. The firm's focus to deliver innovative solutions on both the clinical and financial side of hospitals has made them a market leader, and they enjoy great client stickiness. The firm's unique value, accelerating tailwinds, strong management team, and positive future outlook make CPSI a lucrative investment opportunity. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at michael.kamm@marquette.edu or at 402-972-5337. Thank you, and have a great day.